guys, welcome back to Beyond Me Think Beyond. This is our first unboxing video and I'm sure you'll all be interested because we are unboxing a drone. This is the HX750 drone. The set includes a drone, a remote, a charger, a instruction manual and 2 extra blades for the drone. You have to connect the cables to start the drone. Then put your batteries into the remote, then turn on the remote. It will get connected to the drone. Now it's ready to fly. This model doesn't have a camera. This drone can fly very high and you can also adjust the speed that it goes. If it's a bit windy, it can get pulled towards the direction of the wind. So you have to max the speed to get the best results. It takes about 40 minutes to charge and can fly for about 30 minutes. Overall, this drone was very good. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Beyond Me Think Beyond. Thank you.